Not everyone who says to me, Lord, Lord, will enter the kingdom of heaven, but only the one who does the will of my Father who is in heaven. Many will say on me on that day, Lord, Lord, did we not prophesy in your name? And in your name drive out demons? And in your name perform many miracles? Then I will tell you plainly, I never knew you. Away from me, you evildoers. Alam nyo, napakasakit na katotohanan mga kaibigan, na maraming tao ang kilala ang Diyos at maraming alam sa Bible pero walang relasyon sa Diyos. Kailangan natin ng Diyos. Kailangan natin ng salvation from Jesus Christ. Kung tinatanong mo kung bakit kailangan natin ang salvation kay Jesus Christ, sa susunod na video, i-discuss natin ang panimula. Kaya stay tuned and God bless everyone.